Zmorph i500 is an industry-grade, powerful, and large-format, high-performance 3D printer designed to maximize uptime, reduce operational costs in your workspace, and deliver reliable results. Zmorph i500 is a perfect tool for cost-effective, low-volume production, producing custom tooling, jigs and fixtures, and big-scale rapid prototyping. The working area of i500 is 460 by 300 by 500 millimeters. The Zmorph i500 features a user-friendly material maintenance system. The bottom drawer is equipped with an automatic filament loading system and can store 2 spools of filament to maximize uptime. Zmorph i500 can detect if the filament flow is uninterrupted, ensuring minimum downtime. Zmorph i500 is designed to work with most plastic filaments available on the market. Zmorph offer includes branded filaments and materials with cooperation with BASF in 2 sizes: small 1 kilogram and big 2.5 kilograms. Each filament has a corresponding preset in the slicing software. The 7-inch touch panel is located in an ergonomic area and features a wide angle of view for the most comfortable user experience. The intuitive user interface can swiftly guide the operator through settings and maintenance. Thermodeformation-resistant materials were used for the chamber to ensure machine longevity. The aluminum cover plates and finish are resistant to dirt, scratches, and fingerprints. The built plate is manufactured from 6mm aluminum sheet and easy replaceable 4mm borosilicate glass. 800-watt heater mounted on the table distributes the heat evenly and allows temperatures to 130 degrees Celsius. An intuitive calibration process takes care of bed leveling, ensuring the best first layer adhesion and overall quality of the print. The Zmorph full metal extruder is an original design by Zmorph. The dual-drive extruder system is suitable for printing with 2 filaments, especially soluble supported solutions. This results in seamless 3D printing complex geometries. The unique lifting nozzle is made to ensure the current idle nozzle will not be interfering in any way with the model. Zmorph i500 by default uses 2 different sizes of the nozzle, 0.4 and 0.6 millimeters, which can be replaced according to operator's needs. The bigger nozzle is dedicated for printing support structures. The size of the Zmorph support hot end is chosen to optimize printing time. The G4 input filter makes sure the air flowing into the machine is cleared of dust particles. And on the output, the fumes and particles are extracted by the HEPA carbon filter, thus protecting the operator and other bystanders. The doors include a safety lock, which prevents from unauthorized opening of the work chamber during the printing. Seamless 3D printing is also obtained with a set of sensors and features such as the nozzle waste remover. With each extruder pass, the machine uses exchangeable Teflon scrapers and brass brushes built into the machine to clean the nozzles of any additional filament to the best results, especially for 2 material projects. The bin with the scraped waste can be easily emptied. Apart from the USB connection, thanks to a simple hub, the G-codes can be uploaded remotely via Wi-Fi or LAN by Ethernet cable. The Wi-Fi module can be physically removed from the device. The camera installed inside the machine gives the user an overview if the job runs without interruption. To minimize downtime in your business, we have designed a distributed control system. The solution makes serviceability much easier and faster by creating easy access to each sub-assembly. The company provides a qualified technical support team in case any help with the machine is necessary. Zmorph i500 offers the best price to capabilities ratio, great support, easy maintenance, and quick setup. Zmorph 3D print